What's up, everybody? You've made it to the end of the units. Welcome to test time. So there's going to be 3 steps. I'm going to finish this third one here in a minute. I just wanted to make sure the video got up before class starts. Just like the other ones. And again, as long as you don't jump in, grab the quiz, fill them all out, give me a couple of nonsense things on that last part and skip the crossword, you're going to pass. People that put in the effort are going to pass. And it's very easy to see when somebody does not put in the effort. So give it a good try. Tests are worth 50% of your grade. It's like a huge chunk of points. And since this is such a crazy year, I'm being extremely easygoing with the way I grade it. So again, if you put in effort, the lowest grade I'll give is a 65. Or I'll say you got to redo this, and we'll eventually get there. But save yourself some time and some stress. Get this thing done. And people that really nail the multiple choice and give you some well thought out stuff on this third section are going to get very good grades. All right, so it's like usual. Now listen, I've had not a ton of people, but some people go and do the other stuff first and then come back to the crossword. The reason I do the crosswords, this is what it looks like, is to get some of the vocab that we did in the labs. All I did was grab the labs we did, grab the very basic vocab, and one of the notes things we did, grab the very basic vocab, and chuck it in here. It's intended to get these ideas like popping back in your head so that, hey, maybe if that word pops up on one of those multiple choice questions, oh yeah, we just brought that back into our minds with the crossword. It shouldn't be terribly difficult, but I do really recommend you do that first, okay? The chapters thing is a little funnier this time because there's 4 separate chapters. Now, if you start opening these up, you're going to say, holy cow, this is a ton of stuff. We did not do all of the things in each of these chapters. The way that this review book organizes it is not the same way I organize it. So we did some chunks of these. So if you just open them up, again, if you open them up and start trying to read all of it, trying to do all the questions, you're gonna start banging your head pretty quick. So the way to do it, oh, I should have had this ready. The way to do it, I don't know what the form is going to look like on your end. It looks a little bit different, right? But here's what it looks like on my end. It will say Chapter 8, page 164, question 6. So go to that, check out your choices, and do it. And you might have to go back and read some of the review book things if you need some help, if you forget how it went. That's the advantage of these review book tests. All the stuff's in there. So you got 25 questions here spanning all those chapters. Yeah, so there's going to be a lot of like fumbling through the pages of the PDFs, and I apologize for that, but so it goes. You'll do great. Keep it up. All right. That last part I'll finish up here. It's going to be some constructed response. See if you can tell me a couple of things that we've learned. Okay. You can do it. Do your best. And then we're ready to move on to rocks.